Okay, hey YouTube, welcome back. It's the 27th of February, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. I've been using Python as my crypto tracker. I made a little script in Python, and what it does is it'll take a CSV file, takes the token, the original purchase price, and the amount, and then it looks at the current crypto price and tells me how much it's either gone up or gone down. So you've probably seen on the channel, it's essentially a heat map, and it's very easy to just go in and see how much it's grown or shrank. And there's a little bit of a problem at the moment because I know that there's a little bit more information I want to put in the script, but I don't exactly know how. So today we're going to have a look at that and see if I can solve my Python problem. All right, YouTube. So it's taking a little bit longer than I expected, but let's do a bit of Googling and see how we use text info in Plotly tree maps. Oh, okay. So it looks like here there's a question that's been sent. Traces. I don't know what update traces means because I'm not using traces. Yeah, I'm not using it. So how do I do that? Oh, okay. So this makes two subplots. So one here, one here. So you make the plot and then you add a trace to the plot. I think that's what you do. So this is row 1, column 1, and this is row 1, column 2. Okay, so that checks out. So unless I have to do this, so after I do the plot, actually, let me just do a search for trace. Oh, okay, yeah. So I think that's how you do it. So you plot it first and then you do a trace after. So let's just get rid of this. Text to info equals, I'll just cut that out. I'll just paste it here. Let's see if this does anything. Oh, missing a bracket. Okay, is that going to work? Error name go is not defined. I don't know what to do. Alright, let's just keep going. Let's see. Label text value current path percentage entry percentage parent. I don't know, how do I do this? Yeah, so how do I do this? How do I make this work? So average salary, sample. Oh, okay, wait, figure data 0 custom. Unless I use this, is that what I'm supposed to do? Oh, okay, yeah, alright, so this might be better. Let's just save this. Let's have a look at this. So we plot with Plotly, store multiple lists of data in custom data. Salary percent. So label. So that's Jordan. Value salary percentage. Custom data. Percentage of total. Okay. All right. So I think this is probably the best way I can do it. So I've got to use this. Okay. So just reorganizing my screen a little bit. Just making sure we've got some stuff here. So let's get rid of this. We don't want that. So what we do want is this. Okay, so it looks like it plots the figure first and then it calculates the salaries and percentages. Then it changes the figure after. Okay, so this is, yeah, okay, so this is good. So custom data, MP column stack, salaries percent. So salaries percent. Okay, I have no idea where salaries comes from because I can't see it. Oh no, sorry, it's there. Percent's there. I don't know what MP column stack is. Oh, okay, yeah, all right. So instead of that, I'll have to use... So that's stacking the... So it's creating an array of salaries and percents. So what I want in this, I want the So label. Does label come up here at all? Label. So I'll leave label on that. So custom data 0, custom data 1. Where does that come from? Okay, so I want purchase cost. That's one thing I want there. Yeah, okay, so let's go. So I want another variable and I want portfolio data frame. So this would be the, let's call it percentage change. And this would be how much the crypto would have changed in price since I bought it. So it would be, so the purchase cost divided by that. So if it's worth more now, then that would give me a percentage. Yep, okay, so that's good. So percentage change, let's just save that. Okay, so I want the percentage change, I want the purchase cost. Okay, let's just do a little bit of just thinking here. So I want the token label. I want the value. So that's the current price. So current token price multiplied by the number of tokens. Number of tokens owned. Yeah, so it's the amount. Yeah, the amount. So I want the label, the current value. Let's go purchase value. And it was the purchase price multiplied by the amount of tokens owned, and the okay, so that's what I want. So I want the token value, I want the label, so like BTC or whatever, I want the value of the token. So if it's like more now, if it's $100 or $200, and then if it's I want how much I bought it for. So there should be around 100 US, and then the how much it's changed since then. So up or down, positive, negative, in a percentage. So let's try and work that out. So I probably need this portfolio equals round divided by that, and I want to multiply by 100 to 2 places. Okay. So before we do this, let's just make sure let's just make sure this works. Yep, okay, so that still works. Now, I'm just going to do a little bit of a thing here. I'm just going to do some print. So just make sure we are doing this right. So I'm going to do... Actually, I can just go portfolio DF. I think that will work if I do this. So if I hit that, and then that should print in my terminal. Should spit out my graph first. Yep, and then it spits this out. So yeah, so I need to go and tidy up the purchase prices. But if we look at SKL, so we bought it for 100, And the current price is, so the value now is 126. So the percentage change should be 0.9. So it should be 26%. That's what I need to see. Yeah, okay. So let's just tidy this up a bit. So we are almost there. So purchase cost. Oh, no, sorry. That should be purchase price. So let's just run that again. Yep, so it's gone from 100 to 126. So that means I need to minus 100. Okay, round. Let's put some more brackets. All right. Let's make sure this works. Yep, okay. So that didn't work. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, wait, sorry, I put that in the wrong spot. So we multiply 100, then we minus 100. So that should fix it. So we put it in as a percentage, and then we take off 100. Yeah, so 26%. Yep. Okay, perfect. All right, so that's good. All right, so now we know that that math checks out. So now let's just get rid of this. Okay, so let's make this work. So now what we need to do, so we've got the calculations for the data frame. And so we've got the calculation for the data frame. And what we need to do now is work out how to use this text template and custom data to put it into the labels of the Plotly tree map. So let's just have a look and see if we can work this out. Okay, so let's just give this a go. I think what we need to do here is we need to make a list of the custom data and put a few things in there. And then use this. Oh, that's not going well. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, let's do this. Now, what we're stacking in here, so we're gonna put the, so we want the value, which is, so we want the label, the value, which is here already. Token label. Oh, let's just put it in anyway. So let's put names, values, and we put in, let's go purchase cost. And, oh, actually, no, sorry, it should be this. Purchase. And portfolio percentage change. Okay, so we're going to go label, value, that, and then that template. Okay, so custom data 0. Custom data 1. Yeah, and then so 1, 2, and a I don't know what 2F means. I think that's 2 decimal places, but I don't really know. So three. We'll just see if this works. See what happens. Name MP is not defined. Okay, so I've got to bring in numpty. So run that. Error names is not defined. Okay, so I'll just put in the symbol. Values would be portfolio value. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, we got it to work. Oh, sick. All right, so let's have a look. Okay, so the second one is that's how much is we'll go value. Okay, let's just save this first. Okay. Whew. This is good. We got it to work. Thank you, internet. Thank you, Stack Overflow, actually. Okay, so now I'm going to have to go through and update my crypto and just put in all the purchase value. So I'm going to have to go through the old videos and find out how much I bought them for and put them back in here so I can work it out. But anyway, let's tidy this up too. Okay, so the first one is a token. The second one is a current value. Yeah, so let's here. So after BR, I'll put current value. Oh, do that. And I'll put a little $sign there. Then the second one is the purchase price. Actually, purchase cost should be. Okay, I haven't done that right. Oh, no, that is right. I just haven't, because I haven't put in the purchase price yet. That's why it's so low. So I'll just put that in. Purchase value. And the last one is percentage change. Hopefully this works. Ooh, yeah, that looks pretty good. I'll just put some spaces in here to make it look better. Just make that run. Oh, so good. All right, so, okay, the current value here, so I want to round that to 2 decimal places. I think I use this thing here. So that is on the current value and also, yeah, on the current value. Actually, what if I just round? I need two decimal places. All right, so that should fix it. Yep, okay, that looks pretty good. Oh, okay, we're almost there. So now I'm going to go away and I've got to do a bit of updating. So I'm just going to cut the video here and I'm going to go away and update my CSV and I'll be back later to see what the results are. So thank you. I will be back. Hey YouTube, today is the 4th of March. Overnight, a lot of the crypto has changed. So overnight, pretty much our portfolio has gone up quite a bit. I finished the Python script and I'll quickly run over what I did. I made a big mistake and accidentally set the screen recording to the wrong screen. So I've recorded the wrong part. I can't really show you what I did in my Python, but I'll attempt to explain it here in this video. So quickly jumping over to Stack Overflow. So I was doing a bit of looking around and this is what I found is this script here shows exactly what I'm trying to do. So this person wanted to put the labels, like I call these labels, but they're actually called titles. And I think that's where I got a bit confused. They wanted to put this into the script and into the tree map. So the way they did this was this figure dart bit at the bottom. So the rest of it I'm pretty happy with. So that's how they did it. They used the figure data part. So using that to implement here, how they've done it is they've done a stack. So they've put salaries and percentages in there. So, and they've called it up as 0 and 1. So that's what I'm doing down here in my script. So this is a script here. And at the very bottom, I've put this figure data label in there. So I've got the column stack. I've got portfolio. So I've got the symbol. I've got the value. I've got the purchase cost, and I've got the percentage change. So I've used the figure data text template, and I've pulled custom data 0 as the current value. I've got custom data 1 as a purchase value, custom data 2 as a percentage change, and I've just added like a few percentage signs and dollar signs and then ran that. So I've made a couple of little changes like rounding mostly to some of these figures so they don't have like a whole bunch of trailing digits. So this is what it looks like here. So let's just quickly have a look and see what our portfolio looks like. So Bitcoin Cash is $393.38. So it's about $400 and we purchased it for about $100. So that means we're up around about $300 on that one if we sold it. So the actual percentage change is 300%, not 295%, which I first thought. So it's actually my mistake. So this is actually up 3x. Ontology Gas is up about 80%. Santos is up 74%. Neo is up about 50%. And let's just work our way down. So, SKL is up about 50%. AS Roma is pretty much break even. Ghost, Avagotchi is down 30. Aave is down 30. Joe's down about 42%. Uniswap, we paid $50 for. So that's actually up 3%. So we're breaking even there. And if we look all the way at the very bottom, Ren, we paid $47 for that. And it is currently worth $9. So we've lost about 80%. And at the very, very, very bottom, we've got Anchor Protocol. We bought that for $100 and it is currently worth $1.58. So we've lost pretty much everything there. But this is the most important part. This is the part I like to take a bit of pride in. And it's taken me a very long time to get here, but we have been down most of the time we've started this channel. However, today we are up 10%. So that in itself is very, very good for this channel. So I'm very happy with that. Making money is pretty difficult, but I mean, 10%, it's better than nothing. So thank you. Thank you for sticking with me. Hit like and subscribe if you like what you see. If you want to see anything on the channel, let me know. If there's anything you want to say in the comments, just put it down there. I'll read all the comments. But thank you for watching and goodbye.